Hello, my name's Duncan Sutcliffe and I'm going to talk to you about contract works insurance, also known as contractors' all risks. And this will just be a brief guide as to explain to you what the cover involves. Contract works insurance can be taken out by a property owner, a developer or a contractor. Contract works insurance is designed to cover either a new build or a property undergoing renovation, refurbishment or extension. The policy will cover the works that are being undergone at that time. It will not cover an existing structure, only structures that are actually in the course of construction. It can also cover equipment, materials, site huts, show homes, plant, hired plant, and even completed buildings that are awaiting sale. So why is contract works cover required? Well, the main reason is if works are being undertaken, for example a new build, and it burns down just before it's completed, there will be no insurance for it without a contract works policy. The same with an extension or refurbishment. All the work that has been undertaken will not be insured on an existing property policy unless there's a contract works policy in place. It's also often a requirement of contracts, and a standard building contract within the United Kingdom will state whether a contract works policy is required and who is responsible for having that insurance. If it's a new build, in most cases the contractor is responsible for taking the insurance out. If it's a refurbishment, extension or renovation, quite often it'll be the existing property owner who is responsible, either on their own or jointly with the contractor. Contract works insurance is not the same as public liability insurance. Public liability insurance is designed to cover people should they accidentally cause injury or damage to somebody or their property. Contract works insurance is insuring the ongoing works, the bricks and mortar, the equipment and so on. Alongside a contract works policy, you may also be asked to get a 21-2-1 extension. This is designed to cover you should damage be caused to somebody else's property in the course of the works being carried out. A good example might be if you're carrying out deep excavations or piling, which causes cracks or damage to a neighbouring property, or perhaps changes the water course or water levels in a neighbouring area. So how much does a contract works policy cost? Well, the answer will vary. It depends upon whether you're having a policy just for a single contract or an annual policy covering a range of contracts. And the cost will be determined by what the contract entails and the value of the contract.